Spire is a data company that happens to sell satellite data. Our mission is to enable human lives better through observation of the Earth and how to use that data, interpret that data to improve our operations and our day-to-day lives. Some of the use cases that we specialize at Spire is extreme weather tracking. For instance, in the US, we have a hurricane season, and we regularly contribute our data to NOAA to improve the tracking of large weather systems as they progress. We also use the data to do maritime tracking, which helps with human trafficking, illegal fishing, and we also use it to help to improve the operational efficiency of our customers.
Spire has been a native cloud company. Our strategy has been to be on the cloud from day one. For us, the easy way to shrink and expand our footprint was absolutely critical. Spire is expanding, our customer base is expanding. Having data centers in every country was not a strategy that we wanted to go forward with. And we realized that AWS is one of our partners who can help us.
I used to always say that it doesn't matter you have the data, if the customer can't get access to it, it's meaningless. Where AWS comes in is AWS provides me a very global, and scalable and high quality infrastructure that allows me to use it. And so I can focus on my mission and delivering my product to my end customer.
Being on cloud helps me monitor my infrastructure real time, proactively, and get alerts and other observability tools that I can help manage my services to customers efficiently. Like some of our customers really relying on our products to be operational all the time. 99.9% uptime is what we promise our customers, and I cannot promise them unless I have a partner who can help me achieve that.
The bigger piece that you kind of lose sight of, right, is the tool, the technology stack that AWS is able to provide that you can leverage right off the bat and you don't have to re-engineer or rebuild. And so being able to minimize that cost and be able to focus on my core strengths is really important for me. And so having someone like AWS who takes care of all that for me, all right, and give me that flexibility is extremely important.
Pay as you go, that capability that AWS provides us, it gives me peace of mind that I'm only paying for what I really need and I'm only paying for what I use. It makes me more efficient in monitoring my budgets. To give you an example, we provide solutions for maritime and aviation to do fuel optimization, using lesser fuel for their operations. We go and check with them when using our products before and after. If one of our customers told us they have saved 12% of fuel on their ships, that's massive. Not only that's cheaper on them, it's also lesser carbon footprint. So we try to use our customer success stories, KPIs, in addition to what we are done internally.
When I look at forward for the next 5 years or so in the satellite side, there's a few trends. One is obviously taking a lot of the technologies that exist traditionally in traditional space and miniaturizing into a more smaller form factor. And so the best way to think of that is take a shoebox that you have, cut it lengthwise in half. That's the size of the satellite. We were able to fit a laser into there to allow it to communicate with another satellite. That's one of the first in the industry, and we believe that will continue to happen over time.
The second trend that I'm seeing in here is proliferation of AI and ML everywhere. Now there is an expectation from our market, from our industry, to predict things, to be prescriptive about certain things, which was not possible before.
And so AI really helps with that, I feel. And that's where I see us going to, trying to be able to consume all this data and then be able to identify patterns and trends and answers for people that they can then use to take action on.
AWS provides a lot of capabilities. It's so seamless and so smooth to work with. So if I were to give advice to someone who's trying to use AWS or trying to evaluate AWS for the cloud strategy, first off, start small. Don't try to boil the ocean, but don't be afraid of complexity. Call up AWS experts because they have been doing it all their lives and they can help you put together a plan and give you the right tools for your specific needs.
When you're running a company, the most important thing is time to market and quality. If you can find a partner that gives you the scale and reliability and remove a huge chunk of the problem away from you, that's critical for you to get to the customer, but not necessarily your core competency, I'd say you should take advantage of that. This is actually why I think a company like AWS is very successful in what they do.